TID04. Slug House, a company from California, has a vision to transform our everyday items into works of art that also serve a purpose. Their flashlights are a hit with customers, raising over $80,000 on Kickstarter. They have 3 modes, a durable diode that can last for about 100,000 hours, and a zoom feature that lets you adjust the light beam's width. The body is made of metal that resists scratches and has a magnet attached. You can charge it easily with the USB Type-C port, which works with many cables and chargers for smartphones. You can get one for just $50. Mini Crossbow V20. Wikipedia has grown to almost 185,000 pages. It even features these gadgets, favored by both Jedi and bounty hunters. They have a special compound that solidifies when it touches air, giving them a 200-meter reach. But our technology is still behind, so we have to make do with something simpler to strap on our belts, like these crossbows. They can shoot tiny arrows that weigh about 2 grams and steel balls that are 4 millimeters across, which let you ambush your enemies and gain an edge for your side of the force. They are 16 by 12 centimeters in size, so you can hide them easily under a Jedi or Sith cloak. GoPump. If you're looking for a device that can do it all, you might want to check out the GoPump system. It's a multifunctional gadget that has the following features: a huge battery that can also charge your devices, a pump that can fill up your car tire in a snap, a jump starter that can revive your car in a pinch, and 2 LED lights, and a spotlight that can light up your way with 2,000 lumens and 6 modes, including SOS. This handy system can withstand temperatures from +60 to -20 degrees Celsius. And to help you use it, it has a built-in screen and a manual. You can get one for only $150. NanoPen 02. What if you could have a pen that is tiny, tough, and multifunctional? That's what Slug House, the makers of the magnetic mini flashlight, have created for you. Their new pen is only 107 by 7 millimeters, but it has a magnet, a letter opener, and a clip. You can write with it, open your mail, and attach it to your bag or backpack. It's the ultimate pen for everyday use, and you can get 2 of them for just $30. NAPOSPY. What if Batman's gloves were more than just gloves? What if they had a secret tracker that let you locate them on your phone? What if they could make a noise on demand? Maybe the noise would be Batman's voice saying, "Where's the trigger?" What if they were also touchscreen friendly, so you could use your phone or ATM without taking them off? That's what these sellers claim to offer. The smartest and most modern gloves ever. But there's a catch. The battery is not rechargeable and only lasts a year. If you want to feel like Batman, you'll have to pay $100 for a pair of these gloves. Polo. Do you want to keep your teeth healthy and avoid expensive dental bills? Then you need the Polo Brush, the ultimate travel and city companion. This brush is so small, it fits in your pocket. But it has a big secret, a built-in toothpaste reservoir that can last for 50 brushes. You can fill it with Italian mint paste that comes in handy blocks. You can also pick the bristle type that suits you best, soft, medium, or stiff. They are made with DuPont Tinex material, which is durable and long-lasting. For only $26, you can get the brush, 2 extra brush heads, and 2 paste blocks. Don't let your teeth decay. Get the Polo Brush today. SHARGE Disk. Imagine a tiny SSD that you can carry on your keychain. It's only as big as 2 bottle caps, but it can hold a massive amount of data, 2 terabytes, to be exact. That's enough for 204K movies or 400,000 photos. And it's super fast too. You can transfer a 70GB game in less than a minute and a half. And don't worry about it getting too hot. It has a tiny fan that spins at 13,000 RPM to keep it cool. This amazing SSD was a huge hit on Kickstarter, where some lucky backers got it for only $29. It's the ultimate evolution of SSDs, from bulky to pocket-sized. The Revolver. Do you love spinners and screwdrivers? Then you'll love this fidget toy that combines both. It's made of titanium, the same metal used for rockets and planes. It has a revolver-style cylinder that can hold 6 bits, so you can switch them easily. It's a fidget toy that also works as a tool, and it comes with a leather case that you can attach to your belt or bag. This fidget toy is not cheap though. It costs $100, but it's worth it. It's the coolest and most useful fidget toy ever, and it got rave reviews from Forbes and Wired.